Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can cut a video after publishing on YouTube. First, go to YouTube Studio, then from content, select your video. For example, I want to cut this video, I just publish it and there is a mistake. Click this pen icon, then go to editor. Then here we have trim and cut. Just click this one. Okay, from here you can find
Hi everyone.
the location
Sometime when
you
we
want
try
to.
to,
For example, I want to delete it from here. There is no sound.
how would I say?
Okay, just new cut. Zoom in. Okay, let's check whether it's in a required location or not. You see, I want to bring it to here. Check.
Document and subscribe. How would I say?
Okay, just click this one and save. Save. It might take a few hours for your change to apply. Just save. It is done.